Hello everyone, in this video I will guide you how you can cancel a quotation if suppose that quotation is lost or not going forward. So you need to click on browse modules on your left hand side, click on sales and purchase. Now here click on quotation and all the quotations will be listed out. So the very first quotation, which is of AirTech solution, this is not going forward and I want to cancel it. Click on the quotation number, quotation will get opened up. On your right hand side you will see a cancel button. Click on cancel quotation, it will ask for the confirmation. Click on yes cancel and please check the quotation is cancelled. Now I will go below and just check. Once I will click back, just check that the quotation is not in the list. Where you can find it, you can see it in the conversion status of cancel. Please check. This is the quotation which I cancelled. I hope this video will be helpful to you in order to cancel a quotation. Have a good day ahead.